Hello, welcome. My name is Brian again, and today we're going to be talking about a very interesting topic. And this topic is the roots behind every success and every failure in a cyber attack. And which topic are we talking about? We're going to be talking about some of the myths in cybersecurity, and especially the myths that have to do with hackers. There's this myth that goes on, or this scenario that goes on, that hackers need to be geniuses, like they need to be. When we see them on Hollywood, on the movies, you see them typing in light speed, doing everything. That is only 1% of the job. 90% of the job in reality will shock you. Stick with me and you'll find out. Okay, let this sink. Hackers aren't mysterious geniuses. They are not. They are not even those hoodie wearing masterminds with 15 monitors scattered everywhere. My brother, if you understand what I'm about to share with you now, you will stand a chance of stopping an attack when it happens. That image we see on Hollywood and in TV that makes you feel like, oh, hackers are rare, they are distant, they are unlikely to be found. The reality is very simple and very, very dangerous. Now, most cyber attacks today don't require extra skill. They only require access. Access. 80% of cyber attacks today don't require extra skill at all. All they require is access and a little bit of knowledge. Over 70% of attacks use off-the-shelf tools. When I mean off-the-shelf, I mean ready to use, plug and play tools. Tools that are like very simple. You can get them on some websites, very easy, phishing websites, already built in, no coding required, tested, trusted, just pay, collect, plug, play, finish. So you don't even need to know how systems work. You just need to know how people think. Some attackers or hackers can't even fix a basic Windows error. When there is a Windows error, they can't even fix it. Yet, with one small email, one small message, one small click, guess what? They can shut down hospitals. They can even shut down companies. They can shut down an empty bank account. The genius is not in the hacking. It is in the psychology, knowing when you are tired, knowing when you are rushed, knowing when you trust too easily, knowing when fear overrides you. Whenever fear overrides logic, attackers don't attack computers first. Hope you know. Majority of the time, they attack the people. And guess what? Once you get the people, the computers will follow, because the people are the ones operating the computers. And once you understand this, you realize that the most dangerous myth isn't about the hackers at all. If you found any place where there is a hacking incident, look very well. The human behind that loophole was the cause. I tell most of my students that human beings, true research has shown that human beings are the weakest link in cybersecurity. Human beings. So when the attackers, they study how humans think and operate, they will get the leverage to attack. For example, somebody calls you on the phone and tells you they are from so and so place with real information, that you should do this and do that now, otherwise you're going to lose something bigger. The person is not hacking the computer. The person is not hacking your bank account. He's hacking you. You are the main target. And once they get you to divulge that sensitive information, the computers, the phone, the bank account, they will just follow. So I hope this helps you to understand and stay an alert. Today, we debunked the myth that says that hackers have to be extraordinary superheroes. But of course, now we know that that is not the case. If you found this content educative, please kindly share, comment, and drop what you think below. I want to hear your comment below. And also, for free cybersecurity trainings, check our YouTube content, and we shall see in the next class. Thank you. My name is Brian. I'm going to see you again.